All right, it's 2015 Leaf Legends of Sport. It's a 2-box break. It's happening right now. We're going to send the owners through the random. This random right here, Psychic Science. Bang. Here is the list right here. We're going to copy and paste in. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this list in 682 and 683. It's Leaf LOS Legends of Sport. And we're going to multiply this entire list by 3 because every spot you got is worth 3 on the checklist. So anyway, going ahead and popping this in. That's 1, 2, 3. And we should have 117 names on this list. Sending it through 7 times. Good luck, everybody. Here's number 1. That confirmed. I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit and hit. Let's see how close I can get. That's a little too close. And we're going to send it through for number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky number 7. All right, lucky number 7. Oh, my goodness. Cheryl Z, you're at the top of that list. All the way down here in the 117 spot is Marshall B. So I'm copying the list, Marshall. Good luck to you. And pasting it into our huge checklist. Like I said, every spot you get is worth 3 on this checklist right here. We'll get up to the top. We'll zoom through the owner list. Oh, yeah. Let me zoom out, make sure everything went according to plan. Yeah, okay. Everything copied and pasted okay. Had a couple errors getting this thing together, but didn't hold us back and didn't stop us. And so anyway, this is where everything ended up after a lucky number 7. And we're just going to zoom on down here. You're going to see who you've got. Good luck with Terry Bradshaw, William B. That would be great. Teddy Bridgewater. Zoom out just a little bit here. Quite a list, isn't it? Jack Nicklaus. Wow, riding lot. Greg Norman. We pulled a Greg Norman the other day. We got 14 autos going to come out of these 2 boxes right now. Jerry Rice. Oh, my gosh. Oh, all right, Chief. Bill Russell. Bruno Sammartino. Sandberg. Oh, my. This is loaded. This stuff's loaded, man. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what it's going to be. I want to wish everybody good luck. Maybe we pull the Wizard. That's my prediction. I'm predicting an Ozzie Smith. I just felt the Wizard. It's exciting, man. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh. I wrote you a note, Rosendo. I know you're messing with me. I wrote you a note and I got it stamped to my thing. So before I leave today, it's going to be out there for you. I actually had a little trouble with that, and so I'm looking into getting you that very fast. There's a small delay with that, and I want to apologize, but it is going to be something really nice popping out of this box. So let's get it. This is box number 1, 7 autos. A lot of anticipation as we await what is going to come out. Ronaldo prediction, Clyde Drexler. Yeah. Oh, my. First auto out of the break is... First auto is a metal autograph, Santa Richards. And this is low number 2. 3 of 25. Santa Richards. All right, that's Matt K. Nice shot, Matt. With your Richards. Next auto out of the break is Shannon Miller. Oh my goodness. It's a Shannon Miller. Oh wow. Pretty nice auto right there. That's going to be Cleanthus who gets this Miller. Nice shot, Cleanthus. Congratulations. Congratulations. These have a really nice back. You know, I didn't show the back of the previous one, but you can see that these are really high quality. And there's some nice stuff written right here. You're going to enjoy the heck out of these. When you get these, you're going to be like, oh, man, that is awesome. Gaylord Perry. We pulled out a Perry auto earlier today, and now we've hit another one. Who's this coming out for? Who is coming out with it? Who's going to get the Gaylord? His brother and him, considered the most successful baseball player brother combo in the history of baseball. I had no idea. Jim Perry and Gaylord Perry, the most successful brothers in baseball. It's just good stuff. Gaylord Perry. Canes fan. Good luck addicted in there. Canes fans like, I don't know. Let's sit back at him. Oh, wow. Here we go. Look at this. Let me tuck this away. This is kind of peeking out. I don't want anybody to see the next hit either. This is Chris Jericho in his autograph. Ringside Heroes. I'm trying to keep that next one concealed, but it's peeking out. Jericho. Boy, what a neat auto to have. Chris Jericho. Dave R. That's right, Rush. You are here. Dave says, I'm here, and then pulls it auto. Nice, man. How did you do that? How in the world did you do that? Bang. All right, here we go. What is this pull right here? It's a low-numbered hit. I'm just going to give it a tap right here. Oh, it's a Canseco. Oh, I didn't recognize it right away. It's a Canseco. That's awesome. 8 of 25 on your Jose Canseco. What a terrific hit that is. Cheryl Z on Swirly. Cheryl Z, congratulations. You're coming away with a Jose Canseco. autograph. And Addicted, somebody is in on that TriStar and is looking forward to it. And they probably will link that up for you in a second. I wouldn't be surprised. But anyway, you can see that there's a picture. I like the back of these. And anyway, it's just good stuff. So congratulations on an 8 of 25, Cheryl Z. Now what do we have? We're still on box number 1. There is so much in a box of Legends of Sport. It's crazy. It's a Rick Barry auto. 2 of 3. Ha. Oh, legendary. Rick Barry. Who's pulling this? Who's got this coming out? Oh, my gosh. That is Marshall B. who owns this. Nice shot, Marshall. 17 autographs in one of these box breaks. Get in. I'm going to put up another 2-boxer. I think there's some single boxers left. But my goodness, man. That is just terrific. What in the world do we have here? Would you look at that? Who is it? Does anybody recognize these? Who is it? It's a 3 autograph printing plate. Oh my gosh. Is that Pele? Oh my. This stuff is treasure, everybody. Looking for that focus right now, and this is treasure. Ho! And hopefully our focus will be fixed in a minute. I do apologize, but you're looking at a lot of valuable stuff here at Friendly Box Breaks all the time. Just can't seem to get that focus. It's Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, Jr. Several owners are coming away with this. And it might be random, so I'm going to find out the owners that have ownership right now. There can only be one unless all 3 of you agree to sell or together or something. You know, I want to give you guys that opportunity. This is a very, very big hit. This is what we've been looking for. Worth thousands. This is worth thousands. So you may want to, you may want to be in contact with our service department instead of putting it to a random. If you guys just want to do a flip on it, but that would have to be unanimous. That would have to be something that's unanimous. Let's find out the owners right now, because I'm not even 100% sure who's all got ownership right now in these autos. This is a big, big hit. It's a big hit, man. Let's see. Let's see who's got ownership. That is solid. Wow. Congratulations. That is just amazing. Ho! Cleanthus with Ronaldo. Troy C. with Lionel Messi. And I probably said his name wrong. But he is a legend of the game, Messi. Oh, wow, Stowski. And who's got Neymar? Who's got Neymar? Let's see. This is just a big hit, you guys. Anybody care to take a guess at what the value might be? You know, they call me the man with the atomic hand. Some folks will call me that. I don't know. Maybe it is atomic somehow. All right. Cody M., you're hitting big. You've got your share of this thing right now. No doubt about it. No doubt. I mean, there's no question. Oh, oh my goodness. All right, so I'm gonna, you guys, I'll give you every opportunity to have this. You can contact the service, but if you want it to come down to a random, it will come down to a random between the three owners. If that's the way we want to do it, it does have to be unanimous. You guys can IM me your feelings on it. The three winners: Cleanthus P, Troy C, and Cody. And you know, I'd love to hear some feedback from the three of you, because we might not decide the actual owner of this right now. We'll put that on kind of we'll leave that open for the three of you, perhaps. But it would have to be unanimous between the three owners to sell it together. So if one person says, "No, I want it to go to random," it's going to random. That's the fairest way. But if all three are like, "Hey, let's sell it together," we're going to sell it together. And we'll do that here at Friendly Box Breaks for some really big hits like that. Yeah, Ultracaster. First hit, we're still in the 2-box break, man. We still got more hits coming out of here. Check out the Ben Johnson auto. Yeah, that's a printing plate. And we were looking at that earlier. No. Steak. We have done it. We're always on a treasure hunt, and we have done it. We have found some treasure. There's no question. Brooke, you just found some treasure, Brooke, with this auto right here. Nice going. Nice shot, Brooke. On Ben Johnson. Sweet. Nice going, Brooke. What else is popping out? We've had a lot of predictions. Dennis Rodman was a prediction. Yes. That was predicted as well as Ronaldo. I'm trying to keep the next one hidden, but I can't seem to be able to do that as efficiently as I would like. But who's got Dennis Rodman to hit something big? It's a party around here. We're not passing out cheese dip. It is a party. We got big hits. And no cheese dip at this party, just big hits. It's just silly stuff. And good. Congratulations, Cody M. You've done it again, Cody. You've done it again on the Rodman. What's coming out next in this thing? Oh, yeah. Nice Rodman, Cody. Sonia Richards comes out of this. Okay. Nice auto. Sonia Richards. Solid hits, man. Here at Friendly Box Breaks. No doubt, Matt K., you pulled another one down match. That is very, very nice indeed. Aaron Pryor comes out of here. Ringside. Wow, that's awesome. Scotto, nice Pryor. Scott is dug for some treasure, pulled some out. Didn't even need a shovel. All you need is a spot in this. Get in it, hit big in this. Get it on the next one. Are we ready for the next one? Is it sold out yet? Because I'm already... Oh! This is just too good. Let's keep these rolling. We've got more of these, everybody. Let's just keep these rolling out. Link up the next one. Get in on it. Yeah, we ship out there. If you're able to get it on the box without any kind of signs coming up, it means that we're able to ship to you without any problems. If you see something and you're having trouble checking out, it says something about shipping, contact customer service. Maybe they'll be able to fix it. Who owns Ric Flair? We just pulled a Ric Flair auto. Woo! That's right, brother. That's right. I feel like doing the strut. It's Dave R. Yes, Dave. Dave, are you doing the strut right now? Are you around there doing the Ric Flair strut? Nice shot, man. Woo! Sorry if that was loud. Sorry. That's awesome, man. $30 major championships between the NWA, WCW, and WWE. 30 championships. Oh, my goodness. Teddy Bridgewater. I'm a huge fan of him. I think he's talented. 15 of 25. I see him as being one of the best quarterbacks from that draft for sure. Nice Bridgewater auto. Oh, man. I like that a lot. Nice going, Graciela. Or maybe it's Gracilia. Either way, you're a winner. Congratulations. Nice shot. That is, once again, it looks like we got another big hit coming up. 15-25 on this one. What do we have here? What is this? Is that Sugar Ray? I think that's Sugar Ray. That's Sugar Ray. It's got to be. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before on some stuff. That's for sure, but that's Sugar Ray, man. Sugar Ray Leonard. What a terrific box break this has been. This has just been nasty. This has been terrific. That's why everybody likes it. That's why everybody likes this stuff. My goodness. Let me see here. That's why everybody gets in on this. It's just good. Who's got this? Let me see. That is Cheryl Z. Nice going, Cheryl. Sugar Ray Leonard printing plate, 1 of 1. Sugar Ray Leonard plate, magenta. Let's take a look one more time at some of the biggest hits out of the break, because this is just tremendous. And I want to make sure everybody gets a good look at this tremendous hit that has come out. This is one of the biggest hits in the whole thing that you could get. It's a Messi. You've got Ronaldo, Messi, and Neymar on this. This is huge. That's magenta printing plate, 1 of 1, triple auto. And the Leonard is yours. So just a number of big hits that have come out. Yeah, this is like the product hit, just about. I mean, really, that's this printing plate right there. And we're kind of going to delay this. I believe we're going to delay it. Awarding, we've got 3 winners. I want to just make it official. It's Clean Anthony P, Troy C, and Cody M. I haven't really seen the word on if we're going to send it to a random or not. But, so we're just going to delay. You know, we've got 3 current owners, but there's got to be 1, or maybe we'll sell it together here at Friendly Box Breaks. Either way, it's just a big hit. And that was Cheryl Z, who owns the Sugar Ray Leonard. Okay, Cody. And it's probably best to keep all that over the IMs, because certainly if you IM me that, kind of just keep that private, because we don't want any hard feelings between different owners. If one person wants to send it to a random, it's going to a random. But anyway, it's just good stuff, and it is a big hit, and guys got a great shot at owning this or splitting the profits. That is awesome, Swirly. Congratulations, a terrific 2-box break, everybody. And I'm already ready for the next one. Let's do the next one. My goodness, that was our 2-box break. What was it? What numbers were that? That was terrific, man. That was 682 and 683, everybody. Nice shot. Nice going. Congratulations. Terrific.